Grade 2 Parayana Padal Margabandhu Stotram. Shambho Mahadeva Deva Shiva Shambho Mahadeva Devesha Shambho Shambho Mahadeva Deva Bhalavanamrat Kiritam Bhalanetrarchishadhagdha Pancheshu Kitam Shulahatarādhikutam Shuddhamattenduchudam Bhaje Margabandhum Shambho Mahadeva Deva Shiva Shambho Mahadeva Devesha Shambho Shambho Mahadeva Deva.
Namaste children, welcome to the online class. So let us continue the lesson. Lesson number 6, addition and subtraction of higher numbers. Now let us see how to subtract 3-digit numbers with regrouping of hundreds and tens. So in the previous video, we saw how to subtract the 3-digit numbers with regrouping the tens place. Clear? Tens place mattum nama regroup panni paathom. So in this video, we are going to see how to regroup the hundreds place and the tens place. Okay children? Yes. Let us see exercise 8 now. Now let us do exercise 8. The first sum, 752 minus 260. So here you have to start from the ones place. 2 minus 0, 2. Next, 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6 subtract pannalama. Is it possible? No. So what you must do? You have to borrow from the next number. The next number in hundreds place is 7. So 7 landu one borrow panna, the 7 will become 6. And what happens to the 5? 5 will become 15. Okay? Now we can subtract, isn't it? Keep 15 in your mind and take 6 fingers. Now count backward. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. What is the answer? 9. Now, next place, 6 minus 2. Take 6 fingers, minus 2. What is left here? 4. So, the answer is 492. So, 752 minus 260, the answer is 492. Now let us move on to the next sum. 855 minus 95. Here, see the ones place. 5 minus 5. 5 minus 5. What is the answer? Is there anything left here? Nothing. So the answer is 0. Next number, 5 minus 9. 5 landa 9 subtract panna mudiyuma? It is not possible. So, you have to borrow from the next number. In the hundreds place, what is the number? 8. So, 8 landa, when you borrow panna, the 8 becomes 7. And what happens to the 5? The 5 becomes 15. Now, 15 minus 9. Keep 15 in your mind. Take 9 fingers. Now, count backward. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. What is the answer? 6. Now see the next place. Hundreds place, the number is 7. Here number irka? No, isn't it? 0. So 7 minus 0. What do you have to write? You have to write the same number 7 here. So 855 minus 95. The answer is 760. Is it clear? Now let us move on to the next sum children. 450 minus 256. We have to start from the ones place. So 5 minus 6. 5 landa 6 minus panna mudiyadu illaya? So we have to borrow from the next number. The next number here is 1. So when we give 1 to the 5, the 1 becomes 0 and here the 5 becomes 15. Okay? So 1 landa 5 ku ஒரு number கொடுத்தாச்சு. So இங்க எதுவுமே இல்ல. So we have to write a 0. So now we have to subtract 15 minus 6. So So 15 minus 6, 15 in your mind and take 6 in your fingers. Now count backward. 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. What is the answer? 9. Now see the next place. 0 is there and below you can see 5. Can you subtract 5 from 0? It is not possible. So what we can do? We have to borrow from the next number, isn't it? So when we borrow from the next number, here it is 4 in the next place. So 4 will become 3. And what happens to the 0? 0 will become 10. Okay? So now we can subtract 5 from 10. So take 10 fingers, close 5. So what is left here? 5. So the answer is 5. See the next place? 3. 3 minus 2. Open 3 fingers, close 2 fingers. What is left? 1. So the answer is 1. Okay? So 415 minus 256. The answer is 159. Now let us do the story sum. A flower seller had 756 flowers. 359 flowers are white. How many flowers are colored? So, a flower seller, how many flowers are there? 756. So, we have to write this number here. 756. Okay. Next, 359 flowers are white. So, how many flowers are white? 359 flowers. Okay. So, we are going to subtract 756 minus 359. Okay, children. So, the ones place 6 minus 9. Can you take away 9 from 6? It's not possible, isn't it? So, we have to borrow from the next number. Here the next number is 5. So, what do you have to do? You have to strike away 5 and then write 4 here. Isn't it? 5 minus 1, 4. 6 will become 16. Okay? So 16 minus 9. Keep 16 in your mind. Take 9 fingers. Count backward. 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7. So the answer is 7 here. Next, 4 minus 5. Can you take away 5 from 4? No. 4 11 5 minus panna mudiyadhu. So you must borrow from the next number. Here the next number is 7. So 7 landu borrow from now. What happens to 7? It will become 6. And what happens to the 4? The 4 will become 14. Okay? Now 14 minus 5. Keep 14 in your mind. Take 5 fingers. Count backward. 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. What is the answer? 9. Next number 6 minus 3. Open 6 fingers and close 3 fingers. What is left? 3. Isn't it? So the answer is 3. So 756 minus 359. The answer is 397. So I hope you have understood the concept very clearly, children. Thank you. Namaste.